Hey guys, it's Jessie Lipke and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making my deviled egg chicken salad. This has all of the traditional flavors found in a deviled egg, but we've just made it into a complete meal, perfect for you to add into your weekly rotation to change things up. Let's get started. These are all of the ingredients that you're gonna need for today's recipe. So we have 2 cups of romaine lettuce, we have 2 shredded chicken breasts, 3 celery sticks, half of a red onion, then we have a 1/4 cup of chives, a 1/4 cup of pickles, 1/3 of a cup of unsweetened Greek yogurt, a 1/4 cup of garlic aioli, this is an organic mayo, and then we have 1.5 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and then this little concoction there, we have 4 teaspoons of pickle juice, 2 teaspoons of Tabasco, and half a teaspoon of paprika. We have 6 eggs, and then we have half a cup of bacon. So go ahead and grab all of your ingredients and let's go. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're anything like me, I absolutely hate having to peel my eggs, so this just helps me to avoid doing that. So we're just gonna make sure our tin is nice and oiled up to avoid our eggs sticking. All right, and then go ahead and crack them in. It's literally that simple. I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt and some pepper. Now all you have to do is add a bit of water into your pan, just enough to be on the same level as the eggs. Perfect, so now we can pop this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. While our eggs are in the oven, let's use this time to prep the rest of our ingredients. So I find that it's a lot easier to mix these ingredients in a small bowl before trying to mix our entire salad together. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, starting with our Greek yogurt, our mayo, Dijon mustard, and then of course our pickle juice, Tabasco, and paprika, and then mix. I'm also going to be adding in some habanero mustard. We're gonna add a pinch of salt and some pepper, and taste test. Beautiful. We're gonna pop that in the fridge. It's been 30 minutes. We've now removed our eggs. We're just gonna let these sit for 5 minutes just to cool down a bit before we chop them up. Once it's been 5 minutes, we can now loosen up our eggs from the tin. This is the fun part. You just get to chop like crazy. Time to assemble our deviled egg chicken salad. Let's go ahead and add our lettuce, our chicken, eggs, bacon, celery, onions, our pickles, and our chives. Then of course our delicious dressing. Just pour that over and then give this a nice mix. Time for a bit more chives. Look at that, our salad is ready to enjoy. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Make sure to give this recipe a try and we'll see you next time.